Inner Journeys, Part 5. Maybe we simply lack the ability, but that doesn't mean something exists without any tangible form. Perhaps we can't go beyond conventional ways of thinking. Even the term nothing exists only because we named it. If we assume there is nothing somewhere, we still cannot speak of it, because from nothing something can be created. It's a bit tangled, but if we approach it that way, maybe it starts to make sense. Question: does a being that transcends our notion of time think differently than we do? Answer: this is a rather vague question, since it assumes that we have the only way of thinking and perceiving. Let's suppose a horse uses the concept of time during its life, but according to its own understanding. Do you think a horse thinks more like its species or more like a human? A question about a being that transcends our concept of time doesn't refer directly to the Creator, so it's difficult to find a clear answer. Such a being may perceive reality in a way that is completely foreign and incomprehensible to us. Question: can one think about something that hasn't yet been created? Answer: yes, because thought precedes materialization and may be the first stage of creating a new reality. Our imaginations, concepts, and ideas can exist in our minds before they are realized in physical reality, which points to the power of imagination and consciousness in the creation process. Question: can mere thinking create reality? Answer: if reality is a product of consciousness, then thought may be a causal factor in shaping it.